Hello world, Mike White here with another quick Bitcoin video coming to you from lovely Salamina, just off the coast of Athens in Greece, a beautiful part of the world. And just want to do a quick update on what's happening in the Bitcoin world post the announcement that Trump is going to be the President of the United States. So you can see that we had a massive, well, not really massive, but during the day it was exciting to watch. As soon as the world kind of understood that it was going to be Trump, we had this really nice push up. And then a lot of people thought that we're just going to be continuing up just because of the uncertainty with Trump. But we've actually come back down, and there are a couple of reasons I'd like to talk about that. And really that's because in the market, everything was basically predetermined that Hillary was going to win. So that was already factored into the market. So all her policies, everything that she said was going to be done, the markets had already kind of factored in. So when Trump, we all came to realize that it was going to be Trump, all his policies, which are different to Hillary's, were basically trading opportunities. And I just wanted to touch on a couple of those. And these aren't things that are just done and over. They're going to be continuing especially until he actually implements them and moving forward. So let's have a look at a couple of the ones that I thought were really good trading opportunities. And the reason I'm bringing this up is this little fall that we've had in Bitcoin. A lot of it is just speculation, and a lot of these speculators are traders in other assets as well. So if these traders can see opportunities, in any market, they're going to move their money where they've got the lowest risk and the highest possibility of return. And that's why I think we've had this little drop, because people have been just taking their money out and putting where the easy money is, because we don't know when Bitcoin's going to go bang. We all assume it is, eventually, but there are ups and downs and a lot of manipulation, etc. So if you can get involved in, for example, TAN, which is the Guggenheim Solar Index. Trump is actually a little bit against, renewable energy. So he's for the coal miners and helping prop them up and slowing the adoption of solar and renewable energies. And this is basically a exchange traded fund that tracks those stocks. So that was a perfect trade that you could do, and you can see, it took quite a hit on the day. And we can probably expect this to maybe drift a little bit further down over the next coming weeks. Obviously, over time, I believe, and I'm sure a lot of you do as well, that renewable energy is the answer, and this kind of ETF is going to go bananas as soon as that happens. But for the medium term, it was a massive trading opportunity. Another one, obviously, with Trump making it more difficult to send remittances to Mexico, which he's mentioned that he's going to. Trading the Mexican peso against the dollar was also a really good trade, and we can expect this to maybe drift up as well over the next couple of weeks and months, increasing the value of the dollar compared to the peso. So another couple of things that I just wanted to touch on in regards to policy and who's actually a part of Trump's team. Number one, Jamie Dimon, who is the CEO of JP Morgan, might be involved in his cabinet as one of the advisors, and that's actually bad for Bitcoin because he's massively against it. He's literally the bad guy. If we're going to have Bitcoin against the world, well, he's probably one of the most powerful people that we're against. We're against the establishment. We're against the big banks. So that's one to watch out for. But on the flip side of that, there's also talk of Peter Thiel to be part of his team as well. And that is actually awesome news for the Bitcoin community, because he's actually one of the investors of BitPay. He's a big Bitcoin fan. PayPal, which is what he actually helped start up with Elon Musk back in the day, was originally designed to be kind of what Bitcoin is becoming. It was supposed to be a decentralized way of moving money around. But to have Peter Thiel in there, right next to the advisors and Trump's ear, maybe changing the way they're actually viewing this kind of thing is, I think, a massive upside for the Bitcoin community. So if you like this video, share, like, subscribe, do whatever it is that you do, and we'll give you another update another day. Cheers. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, just also feel free to leave some questions down below, and I'll be happy to get back to you. If you haven't got your first Bitcoins yet as well, and you'd like to learn how to get them in a way that's quick, easy, and safe, click this link right here, and that'll take you through a video which will walk you through exactly how to do it. Quick, easy, you'll have them in no time, and you'll be part of the community. Cheers.